Welcome back. You're still on to TVC News at 10. Now, MTN Foundation wants families, schools and governments to tackle substance abuse, a major public health and social problem in Nigeria. And in commemoration of this year's World Drug Abuse Day, MTN Foundation is asking you this question: what are you doing about the drug abuse pandemic in Nigeria? Because the evidence is clear. It's time to invest in prevention.
For the 6th time in a row, MTN Foundation is collaborating with the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, and the Lagos State Government to hold an advocacy walk on anti-substance abuse.
It's a collective fight. It is not for MTN alone. It is not for NDLEA alone. It is not for the Lagos State Government alone. It is collective. This is one of the times where we have to come together to fight this pandemic. It is a pandemic that affects every single one of us. And it is a pandemic that we must all come together to speak in one voice.
This solidarity walk is a battle against drug abuse and a call to action for individuals, communities, and the government to address substance abuse in Nigeria. One would have thought the morning showers would dampen the spirit of these anti-substance abuse campaigners. Instead, it gave them the strength to complete the 10.2-kilometer walk from the NDLEA office in Bagada to Army Cantonment in Maryland, Lagos.
We have 3 major mandates in education, economic empowerment, on health. A healthy, lovable community is good for business. So this is why we are doing what we are doing. It's not MTN, not profits as such, but when you make profits, the community that gives you that, you must keep them alive.
It is our fight. It is not MTN's, it is not NDLEA's fight or UNODC's fight. It is our fight. We must be vigilant. We must engage with our youth, our children, or any ward that is, in our custody.
This year's World Drug Day campaign hopes to highlight and find sustainable solutions to the consequences of drug trafficking and organized crime.
We have come to the consciousness and realization that it's everybody's problem. There's nobody that is free from substance abuse.
Prevention is all about stopping people from initiating drug use, or those that have initiated, that they should not develop dependence. And the theme of this year is emphasizing that there is need to invest in prevention. Most of the programs they do is investing in treatment, and treatment takes time, takes money. It's a chronic problem.
MTN says it is not just a company that provides telecommunication services, but one that cares about the people it serves.